Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we're going to be making resin coasters, and the colors we're going to be using are red and acrylic paint, a gold pigment paint, and a sort of a red pigment paint. So I have a few orders that are requesting red. Can you all see this red? Red has been giving me the blues, okay? I have made, I think, 3 different sets of red coasters, and none of them have come out to be hard. They're all very like gummy bears. I'm over it. So what I've decided to do is use this red acrylic paint, because in another order, another couple of orders, people wanted white, and my daughter Khadijah and I used white acrylic paint, and it did harden. So I'm going to use this red pigment, but I'm going to also go in with the red acrylic paint, just because I don't know if this is even going to come out to be red. And I'm going to come through with a little of this gold as well, just to make sure that it hardens, because like I said, I'm over it. So I've mixed everything already, so now I'm just going to start pouring.
48 to 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours to let these cure. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see the end results. Please cross your fingers that these come out great, okay?